Hey everybody, this is Nick with Rogue Overland, and I'm going to take you through a review of the Blue Ridge Overland Gear Cooking Kit Bag. We've really come to enjoy this product. It just makes your cooking utensils really easy to get to when you need them and when you're trying to get dinner made. Has some really cool features on it. Has the Velcro across the front because all overlanders, we need our morale patches, of course. Has the Molly webbing on the front, which is, in our case, we just attach a cooking knife to the front of it. That's really great. On the inside, there's sleeves where you can keep your cooking utensils. And then below that, there's Velcro for attaching pouches. And those pouches, we keep all our eating utensils. As usual, we want to give you the pros and cons of this product so you can decide if it's a good value for you. Things we like. Made in America. Can't argue with that. It's a great thing to support. It's solid construction. We've been using these for years and haven't had any issues with any wearing or tearing. And we really like these zipper pulls. They're easy to get a hold of while you're cooking, and they work great. They're awesome. Cons for this product. First, when it's mounted with the mounting straps, these handles just seem to always be in the way. So we find that a little bit irritating when you're around camp. Secondly, with the mounting bracket, it mounts with these straps and buttons, which is really solid. It worked great. But the problem is if you use the ARB brackets for mounting your fridge, they overlap with where these straps should go. So you basically end up having to sort of pinch the product in so that you can strap around the brackets to the inside of the brackets instead of right over where it's at. So that makes it a little bit difficult. You can find this product at blueridgeoverlandgear.com. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can find us on all social media avenues at Rogue Overland. We'll see you on the trail.